It's been a couple days, man. My parts came in. I got the tire. This is the tire I went with. It's a Shenko. And I got like the other, my inner tube and stuff in there, man. I'm actually on my way to go drop it off the used bike Imperium, man. So it's crazy because I didn't know they closed so early today. They said they closed at 5, and I'm 30 minutes out from them, so I'm gonna be getting there with like 5 minutes to spare. I called them up to make sure like they were still gonna be there when I arrived. So I'm trying to, like, you know what I'm saying, get all this stuff up there as soon as possible, because the quicker I get there, you know what I'm saying, the quicker I'm gonna get Big Susie back, you know what I'm saying, the quicker I can get back on the road, you know what I'm saying, because it been like, what, this is gonna be the second week without, you know, wheelie practicing and stuff after the ride out. So like after the ride out, man, you know, I'm hyped. You know, I see all the hitters out there, you know what I'm saying, going crazy. And I'm like, you know what I'm saying, man, I need to practice, you know what I'm saying. I need to get on the bike, but that wasn't the case because, you know, the tire was flat and all that. So I just can't wait to get back out there in the field, you know what I'm saying, and get that work in, man. Dropped the parts used bike Imperium, man, and Mr. John, he got me right, man, with the used bike Imperium merch, man. Yes, sir. Can't really hold it and hold the camera at the same time, but you get the gist of it for real, you know what I'm saying? Like, that thing fresh. Then that's the front of it, got the used bike Imperium, Hanover, Maryland right there. That thing crazy for real. So he said it's going to take a day. Well, it's not going to take a day, but like I said, it's closing time right now. So he said tomorrow it's going to be ready, and she going to have that fresh tire on there, that fresh Shenko. You know what I'm saying? I forgot the number of the Shenko. I can't wait to ride Big Susie, man. Yo, what's going on, man? Suzuki sale, man. When I went up there, they dropped the parts off to the shop, right? They said that the bike's gonna be done today, for real. So, I'm about to go up there, see if it's done for real. Actually, I'm probably gonna call them first to see if it's done. But, we at on Wendy's right now, about to grab some food. Me and little cuz right here, about to grab some food real quick. Then we gonna be on our way up there for real. So I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully the bike done. Hopefully, I don't even know. But I'm gonna call up there when I get my food for real. Yes, sir. So I just got off the phone with used bike Imperium, and so he said swing by. So you know what that means, man. Big Susie is ready to go. So I'm gonna finish up my food. Then we gonna make our way down there. You know what I'm saying? And get Susie out the trap, you feel me? Get Susie out of prison.
Helmet or something?
Yeah, I got my helmet, everything, man.
Man, you got the straightaway right
but
here,
you
man.
know you got a new tire on there. You gotta scrub it in.
Yeah, and I got probably lower the PSI a little bit. But
Yeah, I put 36 in it. I don't know what you want in it.
you gotta get geared up real quick, you know what I'm saying? I didn't...
We're putting you on the spot now, man.
know.
Look, man, look, we're out here. We got the audience.
No
Yeah,
pressure, no pressure. Relax.
I didn't ride in like 3 weeks.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Don't go out there and kill yourself.
I got it, dude.
Yeah, Junior was riding them up down. He's doing power wheelies up.
Yeah, I wasn't balancing.
You power, you get it up there and use the back brake.
Mm-hmm.
You do.
Oh, yeah, see, I get at the balance point,
Right?
and I do little drop backs, but I didn't like go all the way back to straight yet.
That's crazy.
That's the next step. That's the next step.
Yeah, I quite ain't there yet.
Yeah, like put your hand in on the road.
Woo, yeah, that's the goal right there. flat tire, bro. It feels way different.
I'll show you on your own bike how to do this.
That's crazy.
Was it slipping?
No, it's not slipping. It just.
Because it's new. Go in it. Be careful, John.
Yo, that new tire is something different. I just feel like I can barely cause I don't want to bring it up far, and I'm already squirrely.
We're at the Used Bike Emporium. We're in training class of wheelies. We're at the Used Bike Emporium in Hanover, Maryland. Let's all be safe, ride safe, and enjoy yourself. Get out and ride. Yes, sir. Over and out.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yep.
Woo. You need your bike worked on, service? We just put a new tire on this man's bike today, new chain adjusters. You need your bike worked on, you come see us right here,
Yes,
Used Bike
sir.
Emporium.
Yep. Sure, sure.